Hey there, it's Kyle again, and in today's video we're going to show you how to change button lock on a rainbow hose or wand. Alright, let's get started. You're going to need some needle nose pliers and some C-style button locks. If you don't have any C-style button locks, check the description below. There'll be a link to purchase them. We're going to be demonstrating how to change out a button lock on an E2 black hose. Let's say your button lock is either broken or not locking correctly. We're going to show you how to remove it and install a new one. So what you're going to want to do is push it down, take your needle nose pliers, get in there and grab the edge of it, and simply pull out like that. And let's take your new C-style button lock. We're going to have to compress it enough where the button lock goes into the hose, like so, and then just use your finger to guide it to the hole. Sometimes it's going to fall out on you, just kind of wiggle around, it'll pop into place. Let's say your hose isn't the issue, but your wand is. Whether you have a riveted button lock or the C-style that just sits in there, I'm going to show you the process. It's the same as the hose. Take your needle nose plier, push the button lock down, get your needle nose in there, just grab it and twist and pull out. Grab your new one and just compress it. And just get your finger in there, just kind of wiggle around until it pops in. I hope that video was helpful. This process will work with any rainbow hose or wand. And like I stated before, if you need any C-style button locks, you can purchase them in the link in the description below. And if you need any extra help, you can go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And thanks for watching.